New Year celebrations begin with a bang in the UK and around the world, with large crowds and spectacular firework displays.
Hogmanay celebrations are enjoyed by more than 40,000 people in Edinburgh after bad weather put a stop to last year's event.
Before we go, let's give you a look at how major cities across the world ushered in 2026. Some remarkable sights there from around the world, and still New York is waiting for that moment of the clock to strike midnight. They're about 1.5 hours away from the ball dropping in New York. Now most people are there gathered to witness the ball drop. There are performances as well taking place, keeping people entertained until that moment happens. I will leave you with more images from New York. In the meantime, I'll see you at the top of the hour on BBC News.
Good morning. It's Thursday, the 1st of January 2026. Millions of people around the world have welcomed the new year with fireworks and parties.
An estimated 100,000 people gathered along the Thames to watch a fireworks display at the London Eye, while Edinburgh saw the return of outdoor Hogmanay celebrations, which were cancelled last year because of bad weather. Our reporter Greg Mackenzie has been watching events around the world.
Tens of thousands gathered along the River Thames to welcome 2026. With a fireworks spectacular over the London Eye, set to a soundtrack which included the likes of Ray, Sabrina Carpenter, Ed Sheeran and Coldplay.
We watched the display and it was insane. It was incredible.
The music, the light are amazing.
Happy New Year! So where have you travelled in from?
From Brazil. Brazil, it's amazing. Happy New Year, London. Happy New Year, United Kingdom. We love you.
And in Edinburgh, traditional Hogmanay celebrations were marked with music and events running into the early hours.
I'm coming from India, so I came alone for this party. I'm gonna enjoy.
Well, I'm from Sweden and he's from Spain, but we live in Spain currently. And yeah, we've been here since Friday and it's actually really lovely.
I'm I'm from Liverpool and I'm enjoying it really well.
The celebrations are incredibly great. It's our first time here at the Hogmanay and we're from Gibraltar.
Billions of people around the world have been welcoming the new year. Major landmarks across Asia were illuminated. In Berlin, large crowds gathered at the Brandenburg Gate last night, while in Paris, celebrations centred on the Champs-Élysées, where revellers marked the start of the new year. In New York, crowds gathered to watch the annual ball drop in Times Square and kick off celebrations for the United States' upcoming 250th birthday. And as dawn breaks on the first day of 2026, for many around the world, today begins with cautious optimism and hope for what the year ahead may bring. Greg Mackenzie, BBC News.
So not long until the entire world enters 2026.
In the past few minutes, Mexico City has welcomed in the new year. Crowds gathered for a street party at the Angel of Independence to celebrate. Look, this is the scene live now, as you can see right now. Big crowds there watching and waiting to ring in the new year. There. Oh, they've done it, but they're still hanging around. That's the thing. Do you leave straight afterwards?
I think it's a party, isn't it?
Yeah,
I think
the party carries on till the early hours.
Just enjoying themselves, aren't they, Carol? I mean, have a nice time. It was New Year's Eve. They were out partying. Why not?
Why not, indeed, Charlie? And Happy New Year to you both.
So here we are in Las Vegas, one of the latest cities to welcome in the new year. Crowds gathering on the famous Las Vegas Strip to celebrate fireworks. Many people there. Pictures we saw a little while ago suggested it's actually raining.
Yeah, lots of people with their brollies up.
Brollies in Las Vegas. Sounds like a new show, doesn't it, Carol? Brollies in Las Vegas. What do you think?
Yes, it does. I think that's a great title, Charlie. Good on you.